Now, just like with our room, when you start building furniture, you need to have kind of all the sides in place. Okay. Now, our furniture should be actual geometric forms that are enclosed, and what I mean by enclosed, it doesn't have to be closed all the way around. But if you were building a table, for example, you know, I shouldn't see just one plane and then leg planes like here, like that, stuck in my room, like so. Okay, you've got to have edges to all of these things. So I'm going to make myself a bed. Okay, so I've measured this out. I cut out my rectangle, and then I based, you know, all of these. These are going to be my sides. This is going to be the top and the bottom of the bed as they go. Okay, so this time around, I'm going to tape things together first. So I'm going to get my little bit of tape here. Tape the sides on. And if you leave a little teeny bit of a gap, they'll fold down better at the end. Okay, and then I'm going to tape on the top and the bottom here. And then you don't need a whole lot of tape, so you will need to do some cutting. So I gotta leave a little gap. And I'll do the same thing with this last piece here. And again, I made sure that the widths of these little side pieces and top and bottom pieces are the same width, because otherwise I'm going to end up with a little rectangular prism that's not going to work. So we've got a little bit of space in here. So now I can fold this all together. I'm going to get a couple more pieces of tape. Two more. Now again, if you don't have the white glue, you can use tape. Again, we're using what we have in this crazy time. And that's a little wide. All right, so I've got my little bed form. Okay, it's all the way around, and I don't need a bottom because eventually, when my room is totally finished and dried, I can go ahead and once I have all the details done, I can figure out where in my room I want to put my bed. Okay, so from here, I can take my glue and I can run glue on the inside and on the corners so that will glue in place. Oops. Okay, where I've got it in the corners and all the way up those little corner sides. And now, of course, once you have all this built, you kind of have to set it aside because the best thing to do is to wait 24 hours for this to dry.